Hey everybody, it's Beth. I had grabbed this mason jar hanger from Hobby Lobby. I'm painting one side of it with ink color chalk paint, and that's by Waverly. After I have that one side painted, I trace it out on this scrapbook paper, which is also from Hobby Lobby. And I'm cutting that out a tiny bit larger than the mason jar just so I can make sure that I have my lines straight. I add Mod Podge to the unfinished side and place down the scrapbook paper. And then smooth that out with my hands, dry it with my heat tool. Add Mod Podge to the top of the paper, dry that completely, and then while it's still warm from my heat tool, I take parchment paper and place it over top and just smooth out any wrinkles or bubbles that are remaining. I then use my micro sander and sand off any excess paper. I then take the top part, that lid, and trace that out on some cardboard and cut that piece out. And then on one side of that cardboard, I'm spraying it with water, a decent amount. Let that sit for about 10 minutes and then pull off that wet cardboard and make sure that's fully dry. The corrugated side, I'm painting with that same ink color chalk paint, as well as the sides and a little bit of the border of the back just in case it overhangs on the lid a little bit. I don't want the cardboard to be shown. To replace the hanger, what I'm using is paper covered wire, which I get from Amazon. I loop it from the back to the front and twist it with some needle nose pliers. And I do end up making this shorter later on, but I'm just showing how I added it. I then set that aside and I'm taping down some different size hearts. The biggest one that says love is from Dollar Tree. These three are from Temu and the rest are from Amazon. I'm painting some with ink color chalk paint by Waverly, others with Imperial Red acrylic paint by Folkart, and then a white acrylic paint by Apple Barrel. The largest red heart, I had forgot to do this ahead of time, but I'm filling in those holes with spackling. And then I dry that with my heat tool. And that one is getting painted with the Imperial Red acrylic paint by Folkart. I do the fronts of them as well as the sides and back, except for that largest one. That is just the front and sides. To attach that largest one to the mason jar, I'm using Tacky glue, brushing it on the back, and then placing it down and getting it lined up where I want it, and then pressing that down. And this is where I make that hanger smaller. I don't want that hanger to be shown with the look I'm going for. So I just make that smaller with the same process, twisting that with some needle nose pliers. I then cut more wire, the paper covered wire, enough for each of the hearts. And I'm cutting them a little extra long because I'm not sure how long I will need them at this point. And I hot glue one to each of the hearts. I'm taking each of those and I'm hot gluing that to that unfinished part right there of the mason jar lid. Just kind of arranging them at different heights. Once I have some on there, I'm taking my wire cutters and cutting away the excess wire, and then continue gluing the rest of them down. And the last thing I'm doing is adding hot glue on top of all of those and that lid and placing down the cardboard. And then add some extra hot glue right on the bottom of that cardboard, making sure that's fully attached. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.